Oyiko. What were you telling me on phone?
You asked to come outside. See, like, the reason I say more come outside, just since you dey go, I don't tell you for phone now. Remember that my girl now?
Which one be that?
Esther, which one be that again?
That Esther. What's it play?
You know, say I don't do the proposal. She don't agree. She don't say yes.
Okay.
So the level with dinner is saying I want to go do introduction, and the introduction here, I dey find way make the money reach 1 million. I don't get 400,000. So now I see me you come with. Either you feel help me out with 600K.
Okay, they find 1 million.
Yes, now.
To do wedding.
No, now. Intro. In the introduction, I go show my face.
Introduction.
Yes, now.
Now they spend 1 million.
No, now. No, they spend the 1 million. I need to buy something gauge up where so I dey go.
See, I tell you something. You see, for my side where I come from, you understand? And she now bottle and like 17 cola nuts. That's how they do introduction.
And that one did the list now. No be money you take buy am. I just money to buy it now.
To be mumu. No, I go the phone fresh boy for that way.
You don't get a package, your package so that no give you too much stress. I say yes, our sister, our wife, just like that.
No, it makes sense. It makes sense. The idea no bad.
Hey my God.
Peace day, you understand? As I dey come, how much do you want?
600K.
600. You know things are hard now. This 600K I want to give you. Let me see what I have here. What I have here is like 700.
Can't you do transfer?
Transfer? You prefer transfer?
Okay, Mark collect somebody see you.
You not trust me, have you? Not trust me, I'll run transfer.
Oh my God. Mark collect somebody see.
What to do? You know, saying that my G now, you understand? And in here it's 700. You get? So I'm borrowing you 600.
Hey!
And I'm giving you 100K for support.
Introduction on pure.
You understand?
Hey!
What to do? I know first son, not fit they see him me. They go do intro. I know go follow up. You understand? You know my G now, small challenge. You get? But see, if they body, make sure see my 600.
No, I get 1 or 2 things to do, but I know if you wait for them. I won't marry quick, not tired.
No, that's your joy. I'm happy for you. You understand? I'm happy for you. Welcome to the association. You understand?
The wedding will turn up.
No, they're happy for you now. After all your Igberaga things, all the women, you don't finally want to settle down. It's a tear of joy. I'm coming back to see you.
Yeah! Sorry.
Now let's start with that. Happy marriage life.
Thank you.
Let's
Go inside.
What happened? Why are you like this? Calm down now.
Calm down, how? See, babe, after this marriage, we are leaving this area. I'm done. We are not staying here.
Why now?
Oh, God. About 4 of them. Today I saw 4 of them.
4?
That court guy I told you about that was disturbing me now.
Okay, and
what?
Sorry, what?
And what? See, after this marriage, we are leaving this area. I'm not staying in this area again.
And you know what, see, and let's just go inside. See, I promise, after this marriage, wedding, everything, we are leaving this area.
Oh, really?
See, I'm even set now. The introduction, we are going there to kill your people.
Kill my people?
No, to show. No, just leave everything.
To kill my people?
Yeah, no,
to show them.
Flags! Gay. My baby.
Let's go inside.
Oyiko! Fine girl, they come. What's happen now?
Streets.
This is waka like person we lost road. I dey call you know assignment which happen?
I dey go your house. What they do here?
Now your house I dey come now. I just make I enter, take 1 cold water as you no get fridge for house. What's happen? Why your face be like this?
But I don't tire. You remember that my girl I tell someone marry me? She just come one day like that. Just the vex. Someone come out for this area. When we come out. What's the wetin happen? What them say she dey come, one guy just touch her. I say in a strong man. I don't know how those people with they court and wait. I don't know. So I say she must date time. Say if she no date time, she no go fit date anybody for this area. I won't marry her. So the thing don't tire me. Now I can't tell you say more can go find house agent. I won't come up for this area.
Wait. You mean say cut dey disturb you and your babe?
Na she. No say na she be the woman na. Flashy, they want am.
For this area? You no tell them who you be?
I don't see me so.
Relax. See, you know say you be my guy. Now I make I tell you wetin dey happen. You know say I never tell you who I be before I be. Now I go tell you. See, no worry. I go carry you go somewhere. Oh God. After today, even if na spirit o, even if na ghost o, if na human being o, if na man wey strong, they go dey fear you. Anytime when they see a woman like this, they will follow another road.
She like this.
See, small body no be sickness. You dey hear me so? I go carry you go somewhere, and after today, you go be man. I dey tell you the matter. You go be man. Nobody fit touch you.
I go be man. Ogamo go find agents. I come for this area.
I dey talk serious matter. They use me a joke. See, I go carry you go somewhere if you no like and call me bastard.
You serious?
You dey see laugh my face. They get mind disturb my own party. The same area. The same. Come on, they go. Where they go?
Don't carry me go. Man, look when na man go dress change. They alright.
Change waiting. Time waits for no man, oh bro. Make we dey go. See, make we dey go. Follow me for back. Make we dey go.
You serious for this thing?
See, they won't call you a baby. Make we dey go. No worry. Follow me for back. They try you for this area. They try you. They
Oyiko. Maji. Oyiko. Maji. Oyiko.
Oga,
Huh?
it's like you're looking for.
Yes, I'm looking for Oyiko.
Oh, he's not around though.
He's not around.
Yes, sir.
But he came back from travel 3 days ago now.
Sir, don't know. I heard that you want to go and meet those strong guys in the bush.
Strong guys.
Yes, that's what I heard.
Strong guys in the bush.
Those Akwobi.
Those Akbobi guys. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Are you trying to tell me Oyiko is not a cultist?
I don't know. I don't know. I said that I heard. So I don't know. Okay?
Thank you. No now. No now. No. Okay, no. That's awesome. Cannot just happen. Oyiko not a cultist. Wait, if Oyiko na cultist, my money don't lost with that now. Someone that's in normal life, when in normal, I cannot even talk to him, even if you borrow money from me, take him time to pay. Now that he's not a cultist, that means my 600k is gone. No, enough you work. Oyiko, enough you work. If I give my money for you join court, because as it stands now, if you join court me, I'll join Boy Scout. I must collect my money, I'll tell you.
If you make any move, we will start from the beginning.